heroes of the galaxy face off against villains without a sense of humor. Who will have the last laugh?
A very wise man, I once said. It happens by accident.
Get to safety. Someone's coming. Someone dangerous.
You really didn't think this through.
Worthless. Shall we continue? No escape.
The dark side. It's close. You won't win this!
I find your lack of faith disturbing.
Whatever I have to do.
No.
Who is that? I sense it.
I killed stronger foes.
Come on!
Enough.
The dark side doesn't rule you.
My master rules me and the dark side together.
You'll have to get past me!
Worthless.
Luke Skywalker let his anger get the better of him.
Well, it is Master Yoda's biggest mistake.
Luke Skywalker's training was clearly incomplete.
Not to the first order. This way.
Try to run.